Welcome back. So a lot of people may have put off their medical appointments during the pandemic, but a bad tooth or teeth should not be ignored. Dr. Mike Dostal from Mill Creek Dental explains if you need a crown or a root canal, instead consider an implant. Who is a candidate for dental implants?
You know, what I'm finding is really just about everyone can be a candidate for a dental implant, especially if they have a broken tooth, a cracked tooth, root canal tooth. I found a lot as well in our office where people, they've been putting off treatment with COVID and now they're finally coming in, and what we're finding is implants are often a better solution for them because they're longer lasting.
Do implants hurt?
It's really a very minimally invasive procedure, and by that I mean you can actually drive yourself to and from each visit, unless we're doing some type of sedation, which is usually just one of the visits that there may be some sedation in there. But no, what I find with my patients when I check up with them, in the evening and the next day is they take a little ibuprofen, sometimes not at all. That day they take some the next day, and then that's pretty much it. After that, they're fine.
And how long does this actually take?
My typical answer is 0 to 4 months. And I say 0 months because there's some cases where if you have an accident or something, and you trip and fall and you break a tooth and we can't save it with any other means, then we actually can remove the tooth, put an implant in, put a temporary tooth on it all in the same visit. So you're not going without teeth. That's kind of the biggest question, when you're talking about time, is people just don't want to go without a tooth or teeth, especially if it's somewhere, that shows while they're smiling or shows while they're talking.
And what is your unique process?
We can actually get your final set of full teeth in as little as 2 to 4 weeks. And it's super convenient for people because they don't have to have temporaries for very long, and it speeds the process up.
What are the costs and financing options for dental implants?
If we're talking about a single implant where it can be under $1,000 for the whole thing, it can sometimes go up to $3,500, $4,000 by the time you do all the steps with it. And that means the crown and everything the new tooth that goes on top of it. And then if we're talking about getting, a full new set of teeth with implants, it can go anywhere from, under $5,000 all the way up to $24,000. And I know it's a really big range, but there's so many different factors that go into that. Do you want to have plastic teeth? Do you want to have teeth that come in and out?
Sure.
Do you want to have the snap-on teeth? Do you want to have teeth that are permanently screwed in? Do you want to have the hard porcelain teeth? There's different ways to do it.
Okay, and what if we didn't like the color or look of the new teeth?
We approach our implant cases just like I approach like a cosmetic veneer type case where there's no surprises with anything. So your temporary set of teeth, you get to go home with it, show your friends, show your family, get to try it out. It's almost like a test drive with it where we can make changes to it. There's nothing permanent to it. And we also have a guarantee with it. We have a satisfaction guarantee where if you don't like the look of something or you're not happy about something, we'll remake it for you. That's no problem. My goal in all this is to be the hero in this. And I want to take someone where they go from a place where they're insecure about their smile, take them to a place where they're super confident about things and they're just happy and can enjoy life again.
And then how important is the experience of the doctor?
Look at the reviews, look at their website. How does the team, the staff members, how do they answer your questions? Can they answer them confidently and consistently? Can they show you before and afters? Are implants the only thing they do? And, sometimes there's implants may not be the answer for you. Maybe you need to do a combination of something like veneers and implants or implant bridges or the snap-on teeth or the permanent teeth. Sometimes there's just, every mouth is different, and it's not always a one-size-fits-all option for people.
So many options, and here's a special offer for you, keeping cost in mind. Get $1,000 off of any implant if you're not filing with insurance. The offer is good for the next 2 days only, and you must mention that you saw it right here on KCTV 5. Now, Mill Creek Dental has 2 offices, one in Shawnee off of K7 and Johnson Drive, the others in Lee Summit off of 470 and Woods Chapel Road. To book your free dental implant consultation, go to millcreekdentalkc.com. You can also call either office directly. Those numbers are on your screen. Aaron?